Hey there everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an incredibly important topic, investing and saving money after 50. If you've ever felt frustrated by your lack of knowledge about investing, worried about financial security in retirement, or anxious about outliving your savings, you're not alone. Let's explore some practical steps you can take to empower yourself and create a more secure financial future. First things first, acknowledging your feelings is crucial. The world of investing can be overwhelming, especially if you didn't grow up with it. But the good news is, it's never too late to start learning. Here are some actionable steps you can take to increase your investment knowledge. Educate yourself. Start with basic books, such as The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, or online courses focused on investing. Websites like Coursera or Udemy offer great options tailored for beginners. Follow financial news. Tune into podcasts or financial news channels. Listening to experts discuss the market can help you understand trends and strategies. Join local workshops or groups. Many libraries or community centers offer free financial workshops. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can be encouraging. Consider taking a class at a community college or online courses focused on retirement planning and investing. Consult a financial advisor. If you're feeling really lost, consider hiring a financial advisor. They can provide personalized advice and help you set realistic goals. Often your insurance broker, for example a State Farm agent, may also a licensed financial advisor, or they can refer you to a reputable one. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. Considering a financial advisor who specializes in retirement planning, they can provide personalized advice and help you create an attainable plan. Use mobile apps. In this digital age, finance apps can be your best friends. Apps like SoFi and Credit Karma help you track your spending, monitor your investments, and even check your credit score. SoFi offers investment options and educational resources, while Credit Karma helps you understand your financial health better. This can empower you to make informed decisions. Now let's talk about investment types that can help you build momentum in a positive financial direction. Index funds and ETFs. These are great for beginners. They track market indexes and offer diversification with lower fees. Dividend stocks. Investing in companies that pay dividends can provide you with a steady income stream, perfect for retirement. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. If you're interested in real estate but don't want the hassle of being a landlord, REITs can be an excellent option. Bonds. While they're generally less exciting, bonds can provide stability to your portfolio, especially as you approach retirement. When thinking about retirement, it's crucial to have a plan. Ask yourself, what are your monthly expenses? How much do you have saved? There are retirement calculators online that can help you project your needs. This can help alleviate fears about outliving your savings. Now let's talk about income streams. Many people over 50 are finding success in side hustles that can supplement their income. Here are a few ideas. Freelancing. Utilize your skills. Writing, graphic design, or consulting. Online tutoring. Share your expertise in a subject you love. Pet sitting or dog walking. It's flexible and enjoyable. Airbnb. That extra room or in-law suite can make you a good income. Flexible and fun. Etsy shop. If you're crafty, consider selling your handmade goods online. These side hustles not only provide extra income but can also be fulfilling and fun. Remember, taking small steps can lead to significant changes. Now let's shift gears to ways you can supplement your income. One fantastic option is creating and selling digital products. Think ebooks, online courses, or printables. If you have expertise in a particular area, this can be a great way to earn passive income. Another lucrative idea is affiliate marketing. By promoting products online, you can earn commissions for every sale made through your referral. Selling on Amazon is also a viable option. You can start by selling items you no longer need or consider retail arbitrage, buying discounted products to resell at a higher price. Lastly, consider starting a blog or YouTube channel to share your experiences and insights. Monetizing your content through ads and sponsorships can create a steady stream of income, building a support system. Finally, don't underestimate the power of community. Join online forums or local groups focused on personal finance and entrepreneurship. Sharing your journey with others can provide motivation and valuable insights. So there you have it. Financial security is within reach no matter your age. As we wrap up, let's recap the importance of having a solid plan B for your retirement. Life is full of surprises, and being prepared can make all the difference when unexpected financial hurdles arise. Remember, flexibility and adaptability are your best allies in navigating these challenges. Whether it's exploring alternative income sources or regularly reviewing your financial plans, staying proactive is key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share it with friends who might benefit from these insights. We're here to provide you with more valuable content to help you enjoy a fulfilling and secure retirement. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.